welcome back again to my channel. This is Juliet from Arabnoy Kitchen. For today's video, we have to make fried chicken, Filipino style fried chicken. So I have only 6 ingredients for my fried chicken. I have chicken, 1 kilo chicken, kalamansi, spices, black pepper, chili powder, and salt, and then garlic powder. So now let's combine together our ingredients. So additional ingredients, guys, is soy sauce. So I put first the chicken, the soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, chili powder and black pepper, and the kalamansi. And then the garlic powder. So put more garlic powder to become best smell garlic, and then mix it together and marinate for 1 hour. This is now our chicken marination. Put it in refrigerator for 1 hour before coating the flour. So now let's combine our coating. We have this 1 cup flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. We have to put together with flour, and then the garlic powder, so mix it together until we'll combine together. Now let's add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder on our flour mixture. Then mix all together. Now our chicken marination is ready. So let's take the sauce. Then add 1 piece of egg and mix all together. Then coat in our flour mixture. So coat it all with flour. This is the finished product ready to fry. Now let's fry our coated chicken. Deep fry in a very hot oil. So I'm using only small pot so I can save the oil. For this time is pandemic, we have to save money, guys. So be practical. I'm using only small pot. Then put cover. Now let's check our chicken. It's already brown, so we have to flip it on another side and cover again until cook. Now let's check the chicken. It's already done. Put it in a strainer to drain off the oil, and then let's fry again another batch, and then put cover. Now this is our finished product of fried chicken with ketchup and parsley. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on my channel, click the bell button, and select the all for more videos. Bye bye everyone. God bless.